I'm just coming at you all with a quick video. I have a couple videos stored that I need to get out that I haven't done anything to, but I will put those up. And then I just wanted to come to you all to show you my new install slash hair. It's kind of an ombre effect, and it's the quick weave wig where I can take it off and put it back on. I actually made this. It's like a burgundy color at the bottom, and it is 1B at the top. It has some cheap beauty supply store hair that I bought for $11.99 a pack for a 10-inch. Okay, something just cheap that I can put on and remove. I didn't record a video on how I did it. However, I can kind of talk y'all through it, and then I'll probably buy some more hair in a few weeks, couple weeks maybe, and then I can just kind of tell y'all and show y'all if y'all want a demonstration video on how to do that. But it's really pretty. It's really quick and easy. So y'all let me know what y'all think. I really like it. It's a lot actually brighter in person. Not super bright, but it's brighter than it's coming off, so it's really cute. Yeah, so that's all. I'll probably have a video on how I just put it on and style it, which ain't nothing but bumping this and put it on my head. But I'll still let you guys see. And yeah, I appreciate everyone's support who watches my videos, who subscribes, and just shows me love. It's much appreciated, and I'm gonna try to get out better content of more quality on a more frequent basis. So I appreciate everybody for taking out the time to watch this video. Rate, comment, subscribe. Holla at your girl. Peace.